Just give me a minute. I'm just coming. Okay. Okay, ji. Class 9, we are going to start with page number 100. My system can be switched off at any time from which you are able to see the board. I am just sharing the page with you. So if I disconnected from the board, you have to follow me on the screen share, right? I am just sharing it as my light is not here. So there is a little bit difficulty in this sector. Right. I think you will be, yes. It is over there. Okay, so we are going to start with concentration units. But before that, let me ask you questions from all of you. Like only 4 students are there. Zuhaib, have you learned the table?
No.
Zuhaib, mark नहीं है?
देख, अच्छा आज कर लूंगा अब अगले बार पूछ लेना। अच्छा बेशक।
मुझे ये बताओ, what are the activities जिसमें बिजी होते हो आप लोग हैं?
चल खेलने में, मोबाइल में खेलने
देख लो।
मुझे एक ही एक्टिविटी थी, वो भी बंद हो गई है। अब क्या फायदा?
अच्छा, तुम लोगों की पबजी बंद हो गई है। That's a blessing for everybody.
अब करेगा मुल्क तरक्की, अब होगी करप्शन खत्म।
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही फरमा रहे हैं आप। चलें, we are moving on the topic that is concentration units. Before that, we have studied that there are 9 types of solutions, and we have studied about different mixtures. ठीक है, कि किस तरह से कैसे mixtures बनते हैं. Now, moving on the further page, that is page number 100, and it's about concentration units, right? Basically, concentration का meaning क्या है? Concentration meaning is that whenever you have any solution, there is a concentration mark. Like if when we will perform experiments in lab, then I will show you. Let's say if it is a bottle of KCl, okay, tag on which it is written that how much it is concentrated. Let's say they say it is 3 molar HCl. It means this bottle, specific bottle, contains 3 molar HCl solution. And if we want to take that solution as such concentrated, we will just extract it with pipette and then we will use it. But if we have to dilute it, we will add some amount of water in that to make dilution. So it is very important regarding solutions. Whenever we are going to use solutions, very much necessity that what is the concentration of that thing, right? So in your book it is written that the definition of concentration.
Excuse me teacher, आपकी आवाज सही नहीं आ रही।
सही नहीं आ रही? अब आ रही है?
Yes.
ठीक है, मेरा थोड़ा सा गला खराब हो गया, इस वजह से नहीं आ रही आपको, बट आई विल ट्राई माय लेवल बेस्ट, राइट? तो कंसंट्रेशन की डेफिनेशन की हम बात कर रहे हैं। कंसंट्रेशन बेसिकली क्या है? कंसंट्रेशन इज द प्रोपोर्शन of a solute in a solution. Proportion is ratio. इसकी ratio की बात हो रही है, solute की ratio with solution. This is known as concentration. अगर आप इस तरह की छोटी छोटी सी चीजें अपने टॉपिक के ऊपर लिख लें, it will be very easy whenever you are going to open your book. आपको within seconds याद आ जाएगा that what was the definition. लाइक जब आपका एग्जाम होता है या टेस्ट होता है, उससे पहले आपको रिकॉल करने की जरूरत होती है। आपने अगर छोटे छोटे क्लिप बुक खोल के आपकी नजर से गुजरते हैं, दैट विल बी वेरी इजी कि आपको याद रहता है इस तरह से, राइट? इफ यू जस्ट मेक इनवर्टेड कॉमर्स, दैट कंसंट्रेशन इज द proportion is the ratio between a solute and solution, that how much solute is added in the solution, that will depend how much is the concentration of that particular thing. Or we can also say that it is a ratio of the amount of solutes to the amount of solution, or ratio of amount of solute to the amount of the solvent. वो वही बात होगी as a solution is consumed and the other is solvent. और जब इन दोनों चीजों को कंबाइन करते हैं तो हमें कहते हैं we get solution. तो इट इज द रेशियो बिटवीन, इसी बात को उन्होंने 2-3 मरतबा घुमा फिरा के लिखा हुआ है। और आप 1, 2, 3 करके अगर हेडिंग लिखें, लेट्स से समवन एग्जाम में आता है व्हाट आर कंसंट्रेशन यूनिट्स एंड व्हाई वी यूज इट, आप नंबर 1 करके लिख सकते हैं, इट इज द प्रोपोर्शन बिटवीन सोल्यूट एंड सॉल्यूशन, देन यू कैन राइट डाउन नंबर 2 डेफिनेशन, it is also measured as, or you can also say it is the ratio between the amount of solute to the amount of solvent, and you can also write down that it is the amount of solute to the amount of solution। एक ही बात को उन्होंने 3 टाइम कैटेगराइज कर दिया है, and if you are able to convey it on your paper you will get full marks। Okay, then moving on, that concentration does not depend upon the total volume or total amount of the solution। the concentration it doesn't depend कि कितना हमारा solution है। let's say if I give you the example that I have to prepare a solution of 2 molar HCl, तो अब ये जो 2 मोलर है इट डज नॉट डिपेंड अपॉन कि हमने कितना ml सोल्यूशन बनाना है। बेसिकली इट इज द अमाउंट ऑफ सोल्यूट दैट मैटर्स, जो चीज थोड़ी डलनी है दैट मैटर्स। इट इज नॉट द थिंग कि आपने 100 ml में बनाना है या कितने में बनाना है, राइट कि कितना सोल्यूशन आपने उसको रेज करना है। इट इज बेसिकली द अमाउंट ऑफ सोल्यूट व्हिच बेसिकली important which matters। so there are various units of which are used to express concentration units, and among them the first one is SAR। better please switch on your video, all the boys who came at whatever the time is in the class, please switch on your video, it's your requirement। okay, please switch it on, right। so I was telling you that बहुत से यूनिट्स हैं जिनमें हम मेजर करते हैं। So first one we are going to study is percentage, right? That आपको पता है कि someone asked you कितनी परसेंटेज आई है एग्जाम में, it is that percentage, it is the symbol of percentage। okay, now अब परसेंटेज को आगे फर्दर 4 डिफरेंट और कैटेगरीज में कैटेगराइज किया हुआ है कि हमने परसेंटेज किस तरीके से लेनी है। there are 4 different ways to study about the, साथ गायब हो गया, करेंगे m by m, then number 2 is percentage mass by volume, number 3 percentage volume by mass, and the last one is volume by volume। अब हम इन चारों को 1 by 1 डिस्कस करने लगे हैं कि हमें, और ये फॉर्मूलाज बहुत मैन कम्स, देन यू हैव टू थिंक इसमें कौन से वाली फॉर्मूला लगना है। सो बी वेरी केयरफुल, इट विल टेक much time to understand but it will be done। so first of all, सबसे पहली जो परसेंटेज है that is percentage mass by mass। ठीक है, पहली वाली है percentage mass by mass। we can also represent it m by m percentage, right? so it is the number, सबसे पहले इसकी definition आएगी, it is the number of grams of solute। you always you know mass is in grams, volume is in milliliter ml, right? so उन्हीं चीजों को मद्देनजर रखते हुए हम काम करेंगे, और सेंटीमीटर क्यूब में भी वॉल्यूम होता है, इट डिपेंड्स कि आप किसमें मेजर कर रहे हैं और कन्वर्जन किसमें कर रहे हैं। so it is the number of grams of solute। solute means the thing which is going to be added in smaller quantity, right? in 100 grams of solution you have to make the solution of 100 grams। we are talking grams, grams is important because we are talking about mass by mass। तो हम इसमें solution और solute दोनों को mass wise measure करेंगे, right? it is the amount of grams, grams is very important, if you skip it out no marks will be awarded, right? it is the number of grams of solute in 100 grams of solution, right? grams of solute in 100 grams of solution। this is the key of mass by mass। now we can, they have given you the example that we want to make 10% mass by mass solution of sugar। how will we make? they says that we have to make 10% mass by mass of sugar। so what will we do? we will take 10 gram of solute which is sugar plus 90 ग्राम, 100 ग्राम हमने करना है सोल्यूशन को, तो 10 हमने ऑलरेडी इसके ऐड कर दिया, रिमेनिंग कितने रह गए 90, तो 90 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर. दिस विल मेक 10% solution of sugar which is mass by mass. ठीक है, I am repeating it. It is the number of grams of solute in 100 grams of solution. Now they have given you an example that you have to make 10% mass by mass solution of sugar. What will you do for that? You will simply take 10 gram because we are making 10% solution. जितना भी होगा उतने ही हमने ग्राम ले लेने हैं solute के, right? So we will take 10 gram of solute that are going to be dissolved. 100 and 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. So remaining will be the solution weight. So it will be plus 90 gram of water. Then you will be able to make 100 grams of solution of sugar, right? Now calculation of this ratio is carried out by using the following formula. Now there is a formula of it as well. Percentage mass by mass, or you can put slash on the other way as well. Mass by mass is equal to mass of solute in grams divided by mass of solute in grams plus mass of solvent, means solution ka weight. That will also be in gram, and then you have to multiply because it is percentage. Wherever the percentage comes, all of you know multiplication by 100 comes. वही बात आ गई that 10 gram divided by 10 plus 90. Like अगर मैं कह रही हूँ 10% मैंने mass by mass इसका बनाना है, I have added 10 gram of sugar divided by 10 gram plus mass of solvent. Solvent was water, which is 90 multiplied by 100. It is 10% solution. समझ आ गई यहाँ तक? ज़हेब, उस्मान, आमना, अलीजा, महरुनिसा, बेटे यहाँ तक समझ आ गया?
Yes.
Yes.
What about the girls? Amna, Aliza, better tell me.
Yes, teacher, समझ आ गया.
That's good. Now we are moving towards second percentage. मैंने इसीलिए कहा था if you learn the table before that, तो आपके लिए आगे वाली चीजें साथ साथ करना ज्यादा इजी होती जाती हैं. Anyways, not an issue. अगर आपने नहीं याद किया, please try to learn it on weekend. आप खुद से अपना काम डिवाइड कर लें कि इतना इतना हमने इस दिन याद करना है, ठीक है? Number 2. That was mass by mass. Now we are going towards percentage, which is mass by volume. Mass by volume. So first of all, the definition, it is the number of grams of solute, because mass and volume. Mass grams में है, volume centimeter cube में होगा. Centimeter cube is also ml. Both are same, but more precisely we use centimeter cube, right? So it is the number of grams of solute dissolved in 100 centimeter cube parts by volume of the solution, right? ऊपर mass है, नीचे volume है. Mass of solute will be in grams और volume up to mark करेंगे हम solution का whenever we are going to add some liquid or solvent in that. तो उसका वॉल्यूम इतना बन जाए. So this was the definition, number of grams of solute dissolved in 100 centimeters or whatever the way you learn it. So for example, if they say that 10% mass by volume sugar solution बनाना है आपने, then what will you do? It contains 10 gram of sugar. Solute की amount आ गई mass में, that is 10 gram of sugar, और उसको हमने dissolve करना है 100 ml में, means 100 centimeter cube में. 10 gram लिया, that is equivalent to 100. But over here we are talking about mass by volume, तो चीजें थोड़ी सी change हो जाती हैं. That volume तो हमने raise करना है 100 तक. Basically इस तरह से class होती है, graduated class जो होती है, उनके ऊपर लिखा होता है कि इसकी इतनी कैपेसिटी है. Let's say I am saying this is of 100 ml class. हम क्या करते हैं, मुझे कहा गया है जनाब आपने 10% mass by volume sugar का solution बनाना है, ठीक है? What I will do, I will simply take 10 gram of sugar. I will measure it. I will put it on weighing balance, then I will take this amount and put it inside the funnel flask. ठीक है, measuring flask है ये. Then ये 100 ml का यहाँ पे लगा है ना निशान. You will simply add solvent. Water है इसमें, तो हमने 100 ml ही वाटर लेना है और हमने इसके अंदर ऐड कर देना है. वहां पे 90 ग्राम क्यों लेते थे, वो वेट की बात हो रही थी. यहाँ पे पहले ही कोई चीज ही नहीं है उसमें, तो उसका वॉल्यूम हम सिंपली यहाँ तक रेज कर देंगे, उसको जस्ट शेक कर देंगे. क्लियर होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर विल बी produced and that is known as 10% mass by volume solution of sugar. ठीक है, this is the practically how we perform it. ठीक, अब इसकी डेफिनेशन होगी. डेफिनेशन के बाद द एग्जैक्ट वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्ट नहीं पता होता. वी जस्ट सिंपली हैव टू रेज अप टू 100 200 जितने में भी ml में हम सॉल्यूशन बना रहे हैं. नाउ हियर कम्स द फार्मूला. परसेंटेज मास बाय वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू mass of solute, that is in grams, and it is going to be divided with volume of solution will be in centimeter cube, right? And it is going to definitely multiply by 100 as percentages over, right? So this was the second percentage concentration unit, which was mass by volume. Mass always in gram, volume is always in centimeter cube. Clear? Class 9 clear? Class 9, is it clear?
Yes.
Tell me so that we can
Yes.
move. Okay. Right, now third one, which is percentage volume by mass. Volume by mass, which is V by M. Now you can see it is the volume in volume किसमें है, सेंटीमीटर क्यूब में. ऊपर वॉल्यूम आ रहा है, तो पहले हम उसकी बात करेंगे. इट इज द वॉल्यूम इन सेंटीमीटर क्यूब किसका, सोल्यूट का. और सोल्यूट dissolved in 100 gram of solution because mass is over here. Volume of solute in centimeter cube divided by mass of solution in grams. ठीक है, 100 gram. For example, 10% volume by mass alcohol solution in water means कि हमने क्या करना है, we will simply take 10 ml of alcohol and we will dissolve it. Volume of water के उसको 100 gram तक हम settle down कर दें. Volume of water so that the total mass of the solution is 100 gram. ये जस्ट उन्होंने आपको बड़ा कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव 9th क्लास में तो नहीं है, बट व्हेनेवर इन हायर क्लासेस लाइक ग्रेजुएशन वगैरह में आप इसको परफॉर्म वगैरह करते हैं, तो क्या होता है, वी हैव टू फर्स्ट कन्वर्ट इट. ग्राम्स को हम पहले ml में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, देन वी विल मेक द वॉल्यूम अप टू दैट थिंग. ग्राम्स को जब हम ml में करेंगे तो इट विल बी डेफिनेटली मोर देन 100. तो फिर उस लिहाज से हम सिलेक्शन करते हैं. ये जस्ट उन्होंने, आप समझ लें, हमने एक तरह से यहाँ पर रटाई लगाना है. दैट 10% वॉल्यूम बाय mass alcohol solution in water means 10 आपने ml लेनी है अल्कोहल और इसको डिसॉल्व कर देना है 100 ग्राम सॉल्यूशन में. In such solution, the mass of solution is under consideration. Total volume of the solution is not considered. Now the formula is percentage volume by mass is equal to volume of solute in what, centimeter cube, and it should be divided with mass of solution, which is in gram, and then finally we are going to multiplying it with 100. Clear? Then the last one is percentage volume by volume. राइट, इसमें क्या होगा, दोनों चीजें वॉल्यूम में होंगी, तो वी कैन इजीली सेंटीमीटर क्यूब ऑफ द सोल्यूट एंड दिस दैट आर डिसॉल्व्ड पर 100 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन. दोनों चीजें, ये कॉमनली चीज है जिसको हम लैब्स में यूज करते हैं. दिस इज द परसेंटेज वॉल्यूम बाय वॉल्यूम इन व्हिच वी वर्क विद द यू कैन से लिक्विड, right? That it is the amount of volume in cubic centimeter that is equivalent to ml, and it is gonna mix with this one and make the solution of this. So for example, you have to make 30% alcohol solution means you have to take 30 ml of alcohol. Similarly, जैसे ये आपके पास graduated flask है, you have to take 30 ml alcohol and you have to raise the volume up to 100 ml. So it will be the 30% solution of alcohol. So here is the formula. Percentage volume by volume is equal to volume of solute. Units are very important. That centimeter cube. Then volume of solution, that is also in centimeter cube, and it is going to be multiplied by 100. This was the fourth one, which was percentage volume to volume, right? If you have any difficulty here, you can ask. Any problem?
No.
Where is Saad Yunus? Saad कहाँ गया?
टीचर वो जैसे ही आपने बोला कि वीडियो ऑन करे तो उन्होंने बाबा जी की फक्की ली और वो गायब हो गए।
Why? कहाँ चला गया वो? He is not attending the remaining classes as well.
तो ये ऐसे ही करता है, बहती हवा सा है वो।
Don't say these.
आता चला जाता है।
बुरी बात। चलें। So I think, I hope it is clear to all of you that we have 4 units that we have stated till about percentage. First was percentage mass by mass, in which हमने बात की थी grams में. Then percentage mass by volume, in which we talk about one thing in grams and the other in centimeter cube. Then we have mass, volume by mass, and at the end we have volume by volume. ये आपको clear होगा, and you have to do this homework, that what are concentration units. The first one is percentage. इसको आपने as it is भी याद करके you are supposed to write it down on your registers, right? जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि पहले आपने concentration की definitions लिखनी है, that this is number 1, 2, 3 करके proportion wise लिख देनी है. After that you will move on that there are several units for आगे further हैं और किस तरह के ये आगे विद फॉर्मूलाज आपने लिखने हैं. सो इसमें जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट था वो ये वाला था, लास्ट वन, वॉल्यूम बाय वॉल्यूम, जिसको मैंने कहा है कि यू यूजुअली यूज इन लैब. 2017 से लेकर 2020 2019 तक ऑलमोस्ट हर ईयर में क्वेश्चन आया है, दैट हाउ वी prepare the solution volume by volume. या आपको दे सकते हैं that you have to prepare 10% alcohol solution volume by volume. How will you prepare it? So you will apply the formula and you will write down the answer over here. Now here is example number 6.1. We are going to do that. If we add 5 centimeter cube of acetone in water to prepare 90 centimeter cube of aqueous solution, मैं शेयर भी कर दूँ हूँ पेज आपके साथ. My phone is get stuck on this. Okay, so it's page number 101. Usman, can you read the example question?
If we add 5 centimeter cube of acetone in water to prepare 90 centimeter cube of aqueous solution, calculate the concentration volume to volume of this solution.
Right. So over here they are saying that you have to make specific solution of acetone. They are giving you the amount and they are also giving you कितने कितने में बनाना है. So it's very easy. What will you do? You will simply write down first given data. Given data. सबसे पहले आप लिखेंगे कि amount of, you obviously know the चीज कम add की जा रही है. You will write down volume of solute, and in the bracket you can write down acetone. It is 5 centimeter cube. Then in water to prepare, now you will write down volume of solution. Water भी लिख सकते हो, तो water लिखेंगे, अगर solution लिखते हो तो no need to write. How much it is? It's 90 centimeter cube. Now they are saying, okay, volume by volume we have to terminate. Solution, simply write down the formula. सबसे पहले over 90 centimeter cube, and it is going to be multiplied by 100. I am not writing the formula because I don't have that much space, but you are supposed to write down the formula before. Then the answer will be 5.5%. Right? So at the end, you can also write down result. Then you will write down that the concentration volume by volume of this solution is 5.5. That's it. Clear? Then how much time is left? I think we have 10 minutes. Then there is another unit which is molarity. You can see it's at the end of the page. It is written molarity. Anybody knows about molarity? पहले कभी सुना? Okay. So we are talking about molar solution in it. And molarity is basically a concentration unit which is defined as in the form of number of moles. It is number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 decimeter cube of the solution. Now here you can see the unit for volume is also getting changed. It is decimeter cube, right? Decimeter cube is something else. Centimeter cube से बड़ा होता है ये, ठीक है? So we can say the number of moles of solute that are going to be dissolved in 1 decimeter cube of solution is known as molarity, and it is represented with capital M. ठीक है? मोलैरिटी में हम बात करेंगे नंबर ऑफ मोल्स की, और इसके लिए हमें बैलेंस केमिकल इक्वेशन पता होनी चाहिए सो दैट वी केम टू नो दैट हाउ मच नंबर ऑफ मोल्स आर गोइंग टू टेक पार्ट इन द स्पेसिफिक रिएक्शन. ठीक है? मोलैरिटी is represented as M. Now there is a formula. There are several more formulas for molarity. और इसी को लेके हम आगे चलेंगे. परसेंटेज वॉल्यूम बाय वॉल्यूम मोस्टली यूज होती है लैब में, बट मोलैरिटी उससे भी ज्यादा प्रिसाइज फॉर्म है. एक और यूनिट होता है, इट्स नॉट इन योर बुक, दैट इज नोन एज मोलैरिटी. इसको हम स्मॉल एम से लिखते हैं. ये आपकी बुक में नहीं है, मैं जस्ट तो वैसे ही बता रही हूँ. मोलैरिटी जो लोग तोतले होंगे उनसे सही नहीं बोला जाएगा मोलैरिटी को, दैट इज मोलैरिटी. ठीक है? बट दिस इज द अनदर यूनिट. जो ग्रेजुएशन में जब आप जाते हैं तो तब आपको मोलर जो मोलैरिटी से सॉल्यूशन बनेगा दैट इज मोलर सॉल्यूशन, और जो मोलैरिटी को यूज करते हुए बनेगा दैट इज मोलल सॉल्यूशन. I am just telling it for your you can say general knowledge. इस तरह से बहुत सारे यूनिट्स होते हैं, बट एट दिस लेवल जब आप बहुत ज्यादा छोटे हैं तो only molarity is going to be discussed, and the solution which is going to be formed is molar solution. इतने molar solution बनाया हमने. ठीक है? Now there are some formulas for that. You can see on your book that molarity is equal to mass of solute divided by molar mass of solute, grams per mole. Molar mass और mass में difference पता हो आपको शायद. What is the difference? What is the difference between mass and molar mass? Mass and molar mass. क्या difference है?
जैसे एक ईयर मेरी दोनों की इकट्ठे लाइट चली गई.
बेटा मेरी भी गई हुई है. Difference between mass and molar mass.
जब यहाँ पर लाइट चले गई है.
में पता लग रहा है. चलिए मैं बताएं व्हाट इज द mass and molar mass. Okay, listen to me. That's basically the amount which we are taking. Let's say we make 10% solution of sugar. So we are taking 10 grams. This is the mass of sugar. But what is molar mass? Molar mass हम calculate करते हैं उसके formula से. Let's say मैं आपको कह रही हूँ mass and this is molar mass. मैंने आपसे कहा शुगर का आपने 10% solution बनाना है. ठीक है? We have the formula C12H22O11. It is the molecular formula of
बेटा
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so I was telling you
about molar mass and mass. Just wait a minute. Let me mute me. But molar mass is always in grams per mole, while it is always in grams. Okay? So here are two formulas of molarity. Just wait a minute.
okay, my computer is off now due to charging issue. Now I am from here. I will share the screen. Right? हाँ जी, अब मुझे आप बताएं कि इज इट क्लियर टू यू? यहाँ तक मोलैरिटी से पहले पहले समझ आ गया सारा?
Yes.
Yes.
And what about you, Eliza? Yes, Eliza.
Government vehicle.
Clarity?